제가 이제 궁금했던 몇 가지를 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 반갑습니다. 저 실사의 신이
It's a great honor to visit JWEI headquarters on behalf of the Korean digital printing and sign-making community. Mr. Edward, it's a pleasure to finally meet you in person. Could you start by briefly introducing yourself?
I'm Edward Wang, CEO of JWE. Prior to joining JWE, I was President APAC of Gerber and Electra. I also worked as ESCO China GM in cutting industry. And in my earlier career, I worked for Samsung Electronics. So far I can remember 안녕하세요 and 감사합니다.
감사합니다. 그럼 지금 현재
Today, JWEI is at the forefront of digital cutting automation. In your view, what does the future of automation look like?
Firstly, I think the future automation will be providing the best performance to our customers in terms of speed and accuracy. And secondly, the solution will be very intelligent based on AI technology. And thirdly, it will be a lot of embodied robot or robotic arms will be used to replace workers or operators. So it will be easing our life. And fourthly, it will be automatically workflow. It will be very seamless. And this will also reduce people's experience demand.
감사합니다. 자, 그러면 한 가지 더 질문 드릴 건데요.
What do you consider to be JWEI's most distinctive competitive advantage? The key factor that truly sets JWEI apart from other brands?
We believe in our innovation, your success, the strategy of customer success. We care about our digital cutting solution customer side more than customer. So our philosophy is to make our equipment or solution use it well rather than just workable.
감사합니다. 자, 그러면은
In Korea, JWEI's SG1625 and multi-layer series are widely used and well received. From your perspective, in which industries or materials do JWEI cutting machines demonstrate their strongest advantages?
It's a very good question. So I bring a sample that cut by SG1625 here. So you can see that for SG1625 can cut minimum to 1 millimeter circle, and SG1625 performance excellently in both speed and accuracy. It is actually fit into all the industry, all the applications, but especially in the signage and display, when you have some big orders that you have to deliver it urgently, and also the customer requires very toughly in terms of quality, then SG1625 can do the job for you perfectly.
답변 감사합니다. 자, 지금 보면요.
Recently, global markets have been focusing on AI-based automation, camera vision systems, and high-speed cutting technologies. How is JWEI integrating these latest innovations into its products?
Yeah, high-speed cutting has been our focus for many years, actually. In addition to our gear-based system, so we have another platform called a linear drive-based platform, and the model is called SL. For this SL series, we could cut up to 3 meters per second in terms of speed, so which is the fastest in the world to cut flexible material. And we have a visual system team in our R&D department, and JWEI invested AI team from last year. So we have 3 AI engineers. We are working on some AI applications and to empower our customers.
다음 질문 하나.
What are your impressions of the Korean market?
I think Korean market is very vigorous. Korean customers demand for high-performing solutions, no matter it's printing or cutting solutions. And this aligns perfectly with JWEI's philosophy. We focus on providing high productivity solutions to our customers. And secondly, I think Korean customer is very focused on service. And I'm so happy that we have our partner, JWEI, who provides very good service to Korean people. This has bring us very good return in terms of business. And thirdly is quality. So Korean people is very caring about quality of the product. And I'm also happy with Korean product. This is Samsung mobile phone. So I have been using this for 2 years, and it is zero failure for this.
감사합니다.
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 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
저쪽 보시고.
Lee, yes, from JWEI.
그럼요.
Yeah. Our best partner.
어우, 네. 앞으로도 저희 열심히 하겠습니다. 감사합니다.
JWE, I love you. 화이팅! I
love you.
I love you.